I got this for under 500 rupees and this is not from Elf. This is not Tartar Cushion Foundation and this is not from Fenty. These are the products that look similar to them but are from a brand called Colors Queen. I got them because they dupe the packaging, but have they duped the formula? We shall find out, because if they have, you're going to save a lot of money. Let's start with the Power Grip Primer. It is so much comparable to your Elf ka Power Grip Primer. Like if you close your eyes and you apply both the primers, they will feel literally the same. It has that same slippery and sticky texture and इसकी जो viscosity है ना वो भी काफी similar है to Elf Power Grip Primer. I've used it before and trust me when I say this actually performs like Elf as well. Just look at that glow. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे peel off mask लगा लिया है. Let's give it some time to become tacky. Next we have is that cushion foundation. I got the shade 3 and this is actually a pretty good match for me. I'll do half and half, okay? This is going on so beautifully. It gives you like a sheer to medium coverage. It's perfect for everyday and that's the before, that's after. आप इसको build कर सकते हो बहुत easily. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin. This was on my face for the entire day. It's non-transfer. It's very, very lightweight and you won't even feel you have anything on your face. But here's the answer to what you have been thinking. Is it a dupe for Tartar Cushion Foundation? I feel it's not a dupe for Tartar, but it is on its own a beautiful cushion foundation. It's not like a matte foundation, but it's kind of a soft matte finish. Honestly speaking, for 649 rupees, it's a beautiful cushion foundation. And no, they haven't paid me. The product is actually really, really good. The only thing is that do not apply too much because otherwise ये fine lines में settle हो जाता है. Also, if you have very dry skin, make sure आप अपनी skin को बहुत अच्छे से prep कर रहे हो before you apply this. Otherwise, ये आपके dry patches पे cling कर सकता है. So this is how my foundation look after I've applied the concealer, the blush and the powder. And I think it's looking pretty good. आपको color correct करना पड़ेगा and then you have to use it because this doesn't have like a full coverage. It's kind of a medium-ish, okay? And lastly, we have is this. This is their gloss stick. The shade that I have is 06 Fuss. Is it Fussy? This is kind of a dupe for Fenty's gloss stick. Now they have a bunch of shade in this and in fact कुछ के नाम भी same है to Fenty's gloss stick. I mean you can check it on Nykaa. This is how it looks like. Look at how glossy and juicy this looks. I don't like the shade because it is a little too dark for me, but let me show you how it looks. Also this has a very beautiful sweet fragrance. It's too dark for me. It's looking awful on me, like literally बहुत बुरा लग रहा है ये शेड मेरे ऊपर. If you're wearing this throughout the day, then आपके lips पे जो lines होते हैं उसमें कई बार ये settle हो सकता है. The formula is a little too gooey, तो you have to be careful about कि आप कितना लगा रहे हो. Just in case you apply too much, it might become stringy and gooey on your lip. You got it? So you have to be careful about how much you're applying. I didn't like the shade, but I like the formula. It looks as if आपने lipstick के ऊपर gloss लगाया हुआ है, which I absolutely love, and I love how cushiony and pillowy this is. I think this was under 300 rupees, so if you were eyeing on this, then maybe you can check this out. So how do we feel about this? Yes, yes, and a yes. The formula is actually pretty comparable. So in case you want links, they're on the screen. Check it out.